All things are possible. If you've been addicted to something for 20 years, if you've been overweight your whole life, if you've been poor your whole life, you've been saying, I am poor, I am fat, I am unworthy. You are using the name of God in vain. You must begin to say, I am healthy, I am happy, I am content, I am well-being, I am addiction-free, and be able to say it. Forget about what your senses tell you, you forget everything else. William Blake, the great poet, said, to see the world in a grain of sand and a heaven in a wildflower, to hold eternity in the palm of your hand and infinity in an hour, we are all led to believe a lie when we see with, not through the eye, which was born in a night to perish in a night, while the soul slept in beams of light. The soul. When you align your soul with what wants to expand and not be held back, and push away all forces that will try to encumber you, will try to restrict you. Your soul is miserable when you're trying to live out somebody else's dharma, an idea of what you should be. You must be able to do it from within, and when you do, the most amazing things begin to happen. And there's an observation from the New Testament that says, in the presence of him whom he believed God, who gives life to the dead, and calls, and these are the most important words, I think, in Romans, the book of Romans 4:17, and calls these things which do not exist as though they did. This is the secret. This is what I've been reading about all day about time. You've got to be able to say not only that I am perfect health, I am well, I am prosperous, I am employed, I am whatever it is that if you would like to place into your imagination, you have to ignore everything that comes your way that conflicts with that, including your own senses. Most importantly, what your eyes and your ears and the reports tell you. You must be able to hold firm this idea and call things as God, and you are God, calls things which do not exist as though they did. Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. This is so significant because your feelings are beyond your intellect. Your feeling is what you experience in your body. And when you assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled, you are taking over your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is the mind that does 96 to 97% of everything that you do. How do you think you got here today? You got in your cars or you got on a plane and you drove here and you got, did you think about what you were doing when you were driving? Did you think I got to put my foot on the brake? I got to slow it down? You drive all over. You can drive all the way across the country and never have one conscious thought about it. Your conscious mind is used to program your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is amenable to suggestions. Your subconscious mind doesn't care whether you're right or wrong, whether it's good or bad. It only accepts everything that you place into it. Hey, I'm 71 years old. At the age of 18, I was in the Navy. They sent me to Bainbridge, Maryland, to become a radioman cryptographer. And for 3 weeks, my conscious mind was programmed for an hour a day to learn Morse code. And I sat in front of a typewriter and I did Morse code an hour a day. That was 51 years ago. I have never used Morse code since. My subconscious mind, after all these years that it was programmed, it's still doing the did-its, the dot-its, the dot-its. I can't get it out of there. Do you know how many did-its, dot-its, dot-its that you have? Here they are. I can't do this. I'm not very attractive. I'm not intelligent. I'm poor. I'm not allowed to have this. I'm not worthy of this. Did-it, dot-it. I can't make this thing happen. Did-it. I can't create miracles. Did-it. I can't get over here. Your subconscious mind has been programmed. It doesn't take very much to get it in there. Getting it out of there is like one of the most crucial things that you can do. You have to begin to pay attention to everything that comes at you that's involved with what's in your subconscious mind. I mean, Jill Clayburgh, the great actress, just passed away. She passed away from the same kind of leukemia that I have. I had about 11 different people send me a picture of her and tell me, she was younger than you. And is that what I want to hear? Is that what I want to program my subconscious mind to begin to believe? I'm watching TV and the newscaster, Brian Williams, is on there. He said, we're going away. We'll be right back. And when we come back, we're going to give the 10 early warning signs for Alzheimer's disease. Boy, that's what I want to write down. I want to make sure I carry those with. Do you ever walk into a room and forget what you walked in there for? I've been doing that since I was 12. Do I want to program myself? Your subconscious mind is always getting things thrown at it to take out of your consciousness the things that you have placed in there that you want to manifest and attract for yourself in your life. When you use the words I am, you are using the name of God. When you act and live from that place and call things that do not exist as if they did, and live from that and base how you feel and how your life is going on how you feel and your connection to God rather than on what somebody else tells you, you have had programmed into you about what can and can't happen. And the fact is, with God, all things are possible.